Hello, welcome to our live. I'm so happy you're here today. Welcome, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Guys, come on in. I'm happy you're here. Savory Thoughts. Come on in. Come on in. Hi everyone. Tequila, Carpool, Gastronomica. I'm waiting for Mirlene to come on the Island Empress. Welcome. Hi, Mirlene. Good to
Hi.
see you.
Nice to see you too. I'm trying to fix the camera up. So
Okay, looking good,
can you see
looking
me
good.
clearly?
Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Kabu, welcome. Happy you're here. Nikki Nutrition,
Hello.
thank you for joining us. Andrea, we're so happy you're here. Thank you for coming.
All right, can you see
Karen,
me clearly?
hello, 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 everyone. Let us know where you're logging in from. Let us know. I'm here in sunny Florida. It's a little chilly today, I must admit. And Mirlene
What?
is here.
70 degrees for you?
Maybe upper 60s. I didn't check because it's a little chilly. A little chilly.
We are in the 30s. Can you believe that?
I'm sending you some of that nice warm. Hopefully soon it'll be back
Please
again to
do.
you. Oh, you're in New
New York
York,
in the
Island
house.
Empress. Also, she's in the cold as well.
New York in the
Greetings
house,
from
yeah.
Florida. Greetings from Florida. Welcome. So today is going to be a little different again because
India.
today, oh, India,
Hello.
nice. And
Hello.
Miami, ooh, I bet it's warmer in Miami than here. Maybe 2 degrees warmer. Cold Maryland, yeah. Maryland is cold. I remember
Yeah.
Virginia was cold when I lived
Hi,
there, and I lived in New
India.
Jersey. Cold. I don't miss it. But it gets real hot in the summertime here, so
Yeah.
yes. Today we're here. Greetings from Rwanda. Welcome, welcome. Africa in the house. Welcome. Nice to
We have
have
Africa,
you.
we have India,
India,
Maryland,
Africa, Maryland, New York.
New York,
Welcome.
yeah.
Watch Christy. Welcome. Welcome, Angelique. Welcome. We're so happy you're here. Today we're gonna do
Happy New Year.
yes, Happy New Year, everyone. And yeah, today we're not gonna be long. We're just coming in to
No.
greet you guys and see if you have any questions for us. We're open to answer your questions today. Any pressing questions about diet, you're transitioning, if you're transition your diet or just want to eat healthier, whatever it is, we're here, Mirlene and I. We're here. And Nadine, welcome, welcome. So happy you're here to join us. My name is Michelle Blackwood. I'm from Healthier Steps. And Mirlene is from savorythoughts.com, where we are all striving to create healthier recipes for you that are home cooked from scratch using natural ingredients. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any questions, Mirlene? You have any thoughts? You have the floor.
So thanks to you. Before and from our last live, you mentioned that we'll be going outside. And I have taken myself in the cold weather to walk. I jogged. It was not fun.
It's not
Yesterday was day one, and I can tell you,
good.
I lasted barely 3 minutes.
It's gonna
Barely.
build up. Next day do 5. Next day do 10.
You know,
And
it's
work your
easier
way.
for you to say since you're in sunny Florida. Okay.
I must admit, when I did live in New Virginia, I would walk in the cold too. Just pad up,
Yeah.
layers.
Oh my God.
Lots of layers. And once
Right.
you're out there, the body heat that you create, the body heat will warm you up. And once you're out there, like, it's not too bad. It's not too bad after all.
Girl.
I'm just trying.
Cold. Cold.
Cold.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Happy
for
New
coming.
Year. Happy New Year
Yes.
to everyone. We're happy. We're
Yeah.
happy you're here to join us. Any questions? I've been walking. Let's see who. Oh, see?
I've been walking in the
Nadine. She said, I've
cold.
been walking in the cold. At
Look,
sunset? That's even worse. She's been going at
I get
sunset. And she's been
no,
laying up. Stay safe though, Nadine. Sunset. Wow.
no, I get cold even at 60, 70 degrees, okay? So I still get cold. So
Thanks.
but
Thanks for your
thanks to
encouragement,
Michelle,
though,
she put it
Nadine.
out there. Michelle put it out there last time, so I have to do it.
You're gonna reap the
Michelle.
benefits. We all are. We all are. We all are. We all are.
Sure.
At least 3 times a week. At least. It'll be preferably every day. At least. Yeah, you get used to it. Am I right,
Sure.
guys? Let her know that she'll get used to it. Any questions, anyone?
Let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have tried any new recipes or any new ingredients. What else?
What are
Hi,
your
Susie
goals for the New
Tiger.
Year's? Any goals that you had set and how are you keeping up with them? Are you still on
Exactly.
track with your New Year's resolutions? Let us know. We're here to
Let us
encourage
know.
you and motivate
Or let us
you.
know what changed. Mm-hmm. I'm in what's the Maryland? Man, it's freezing, cold and chilly, but you will get used to it. Yeah, yeah.
She's in. Where's that? Where's Emily again? I'm not.
We're definitely not far.
Oh, you're.
Maryland is not too
Oh,
far from me.
Maryland. Okay. Bone
Happy
culture.
New Year, Angelique. Happy New Year. That's a beautiful name, Angelique.
I know, Angelique.
That is a very beautiful name. Yeah.
She tried the air fryer mozzarella sticks. Maybe she tried
Yay!
the air fryer mozzarella. Yay! Nice. Very nice. Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's Susie.
Yeah.
Susie Fly Girl. That's a nice name.
That's Susie Fly Girl.
Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
that's Nadine. Oh, she's in Mass. I
Ooh,
thought it
you
was
in
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I
Ooh,
thought. Yeah.
cool.
MD is Maryland. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
There's so many M. Missouri, Minnesota.
Michigan.
Yeah. Okay. They were the bomb.
They were the bomb. Yes.
That's good. That's good. That's encouraging. Oh, you want to know our New Year resolution? Okay.
Thank you,
she wants to know our New Year resolution.
New Year resolution. Try to not add as much sugar. Try to have sugar with my drinks as opposed to having drinks with my sugar. Does that make sense?
Try to have sugar with your drink.
Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah. So you want to add
Yeah,
it
so
to your
basically cut down on sugar.
cut down on sugar.
I definitely need to cut down on sugar and exercise more.
Yeah.
But that's my New Year's resolution. So let's see.
Mine is exercise more too. But,
exercise more.
And outsource more. I've been working out, outsourcing more.
I haven't.
Work less.
Well, you know that.
Work smarter and not harder. Oh, your yucca fries too and asparagus. Oh wow, you have a lot of fries.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Yucca fries is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's Man Cave.
That's good.
Man Cave Sports Network.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's
so
a
much.
nice day. Very nice. You guys,
Michelle,
yeah,
was amazing. Our people are so amazing.
they are amazing. I mean, and we come on at 2:00 when we normally came on at 1, and they're here to be with us. We feel so loved. Leah Lee says she likes any low-carb pasta you can recommend. I'm trying to go low. Chickpea pasta is, or just do zucchini noodles. The noodles. Yeah, the zucchini noodles are great. And what else?
Carrot noodles.
Carrot
noodles are good.
But you can try the lentil pasta, the chickpea pasta. The taste, they're a little off, but you can adjust. Just add extra seasoning to them, extra sauce.
Yes.
It's all about your sauces, guys. So if you have good sauce, it can, cut down on that chickpea taste that you will find, that beanie taste. So I recommend those, the lentil pasta, the chickpea. You can find them. They're out there. If not, just buy them off Amazon.
Let's see, what's another one that's good? There was one. Oh, the sweet potato noodles.
Yeah, the sweet potatoes too. So
Sweet potato noodles. You could do that as well.
noodles.
You can get very
Yeah.
creative with noodles.
Yeah. And also the
Yeah.
tofu, they have the made with soy too. They have soy noodles. Which one? They have seaweed noodles. They have seaweed. I forgot the different names. They even have palm noodles. My daughter has bought that too, made with heart of palms. So there's quite a lot of low carb noodles on the market. If you don't have, I would say check at a Whole Foods market. Whole Food markets will carry a lot of different brands. And so that's where you'd find the rare stuff. Okay, greetings again from Rwanda. Okay, enough respect. Enough respect to you, Lily. Any more questions? Thank you
So,
guys.
Michelle,
Thank you for the
what's going
support.
on with you?
Pardon me?
What is new with you for 2021?
2021, it's still new for me, so I'm still adjusting with all the different changes that's going on in the world. So today we're what, day 7? What, or day 8? Where are we?
The 8.
See, my days are even mixed up because we go hard. Both of us go hard on our blogs. We're working, we're pumping out a lot of recipes. So we're working hard. So our days sometimes even get mixed up. That's how much we're trying to create recipes for you guys.
Yeah.
So it's only a
Actually,
week.
Go ahead.
It's only a week in the year, and so far so good. So far we learn to adapt and adjust. That's what life do. Whatever life brings us, we adapt, we adjust, and we keep going forward.
Yeah.
Life never.
Absolutely.
After you've been through so much, like I've been through in my history and all that, life, I don't let life like overcome me. I adapt, adjust, and I move on. I keep moving forward because tomorrow is always a better day. So I'm very optimistic. So no matter what, you and I, where we are at today, we can, by faith, we have to have that belief, that faith that it will not stay here. It will only get better.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. And if it gets worse, we adapt, we adjust. We just adapt, adjust to life.
Look, once you've been low, the only place you can go is up.
It's up. Burdens, we just
have
faith. And life will come with difficulties too. We're living in the real world. It's like ups and downs. And I know a lot of you saw crazy events. I was so busy when Wednesday, whatever happened. I was so busy involved in what I was doing. I didn't find out until later in the evening. And I was like, wow, changes, changes and eye-opening changes. And I know every one of us, we had to process it this week. We had to process and look at it and how we can move forward and keep moving forward. We're just like, okay, life throws us that. We keep moving forward. Susie Fly Girl says word.
Yeah.
we keep, I think we're just resilient people. We're just resilient. We're strong. We're strong.
We'll remain strong.
And we have faith. We believe in God, and we have the strength that God will help us, no matter what difficulties we may face in this life.
Yes,
He always makes a way out for us. Welcome, the Seasonal Skillet. Nice to have you. Come and join our conversation. Thank you. Thank you. Good conversation. Yes. Any more questions you have? Pesky Vegan says, Amen. What a name. I love the name. I love it. I'm telling you, the names are amazing. Because sometimes I think names have a lot to do with, there's something that the author, tell us why you name your page Pesky Vegan. Let us know. I love the name, so I want to know what's behind it. Oh, hello. Save the day, Amy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year. Hi, hi. Man Cave. Lots of prayer. We got to have faith and we've got to pray. Pray for protection. I mean, that's what it's all about. Studies have shown that people who pray more end up overcoming difficulties more, disease, whatever it is. They were able to, even the body heals naturally. And So it's all about our faith, because guess what? You and I can eat the best. We can eat 100% raw food. We're putting in the best in our food. But if we worry, if we're stressed, if we have a nasty attitude, if we have a negative mindset, it's of no avail. You still die with disease. So it's all about the mindset, how you think, how you feel, your positivity, how you are hopeful for better. Non-vegans always call us vegans annoying, all right? We preach too. Oh boy, and here I'm just here preaching. We preach too much about why we care about. That's so true. You know what it is? Yeah. Prayer is the key. Yes, Caesarville. What it is with us, when we've experienced something that is so good, so life-changing, so rewarding, we can't keep it to ourselves. We feel like we want to help everyone. We want everyone to know. But guess what? We have to then know that everybody is at a different stage in life. Because I've been vegan for 22 years. So basically, I don't preach. You do you, I do me. You do you, I respect you. I'm going to do me. And I'm never going to force you to do me. But I'm going to live me. And this is who I am. You accept it or not. But I'm not going to try to change you. But I'm going to live me. And it's going to be, me is going to be so reflected of me that you will notice me. That's my philosophy after 22 years. You could eat the meat right in front of me. Oh, okay, that's you. I respect you for that.
It's all about respect.
Pardon me?
It's all about respect.
It's all about respect. Love, which actually translates to me love. Love means I accept you for who you are. Even though I may think this is better for you, it's not my place. I love you unconditionally. That's my prayer today, to love unconditionally. I'm not there yet, but that's my strive, to love people.
But you're learning.
Pardon me?
You're learning.
I'm learning. We're learning.
You're learning.
So that's my 2021 resolution, to continue to love unconditionally and not to force people. I don't force nobody. That's one thing I hate. Anything that's about force, something about it to me like, ooh, because I can force someone and they join me, but they're like automated. They're like robots. But when it comes from the heart,
it flows well.
It flows so different. It's so natural. It's so natural.
In the same time, Michelle, people need to understand that what works for me may not necessarily work for you. I can advise you. I can share with you. I can give you the main ingredient or the secret.
Yes.
But if it's not within you,
yes,
if it's not in you to do it, no matter what, it will never work the same.
It'll never work the same.
So only thing is left to do, you can only respect, right? Respect it and move forward.
Love it.
Regardless of what, if there's a change that needs to be made, it's going to be made. But it's not for me to tell you what it is.
Yes. So Susie said, let go and let God.
Definitely.
Sometimes we stand in the way, don't we? Sometimes we're not letting go. Yes.
You can't force yourself to change things that you can't change.
Yes. I love that. That's powerful.
Let go, let God. Leave it in His hands. He knows best. His time is not your time.
His timing is something else. And I think a lot of time people, that's where they get to the negative side. They want things to change now, and they want it to happen today, and they're going to force it. But sometimes if they let time, it will happen. And like we said, it happens naturally if we learn to respect. And it could be 20 years later, the person is like, oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. You're like, wow. Sometimes we're seed sowers. We're seed sowers. And sometimes
Michelle,
yes.
funny you said that. I've shared this with you before, so I'm going to share it with everyone else now. One of my favorite prayer, okay? You're laughing because you know. And I believe in my heart and soul, this thing is powerful and it works with anything and everything in life. And usually it goes, I usually say it right after a long prayer, or if I don't have time to really sit down. And all I say is, please remove, replace, and expose anything or anyone who does not have my best interest at heart or my
Wow,
family's best interest at heart.
that's powerful. Powerful.
And, you know, speaking with you prior when I was telling you about, my health with my job and saying that prayer,
Yeah.
remember I told you how
Yes.
quickly. Same
Yes.
thing with the eating habits, changing
Yes.
certain things for eating. And here you are introducing me to vegan. Now, my husband and I, we both are able to implement more natural food in our diet. God is always listening,
Yes.
and you just never know. You could be saying it, we say like in your heart. You could be praying, you could be speaking in your heart. Me, I don't call it praying, I call it speaking. I feel like
Mm.
if I'm your child, I'm having a conversation with you, I should be able to have a conversation with you.
Conversation. It's
Okay,
not too
so
far
if I'm
removed. You're speaking. There's a
absolutely not.
personable. It's
It's
more like it.
personal. Oh, it's very personal.
Wow.
It's very personal.
That's nice.
And he heard me
Yeah.
because here you are telling me, Mirlene, you need to change this. Mirlene, do that. And you're all the way in Florida. You
Wow.
just never know where and when God is going to place someone in your life, just like our loved ones, family and
Yes.
friends. You just never know.
Never know. Never know.
you know. So
Ne-
whatever you do it with your greatest intent. Do it
yes.
because you want to, not
Yes.
because somebody else is telling you to do so.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
Your
that
heart
goes
has
with
to be in the
anything.
right place.
Your right has to be exactly. So my New Year's resolution is for me to exercise more. But my husband's
Yes.
been telling me to exercise with him. It's not in my heart to do so, but now it is.
Wow. You see? Wow. God is good. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Pesky Vegan says the mind is everything. The mind is powerful. I don't think
Thank
we
you.
use the mind enough, the brain, the capacity, and how powerful the mind is and how we think. Sometimes people around the negativity, like someone is negative, then you start feeling like that cloud of
Oh, it's a vibe.
negative start
It's a
passing on to
vibe.
you. You're like, ooh, you have to
Yeah,
fight that. So the mind is everything.
it's the vibe.
Yes, yes, yes. Island Empress says we want to share. Exactly right. Beautiful. Amen. Unconditionally love ourselves, then we're able to love others. I want to say that sometimes like which country? There's a country or somewhere like was it in China or where they're taught that if there's an emergency, you get out. Don't be there try to help everybody. Everybody gets out because everybody is looking to get out for safety. And I thought that was interesting and different. And they said that because they've drilled like that, everybody usually gets out. And
Hmm.
likewise, I think in fires and sometimes that's where self-care comes in. Because
Hmm.
sometimes we are trying to, that's another New Year's resolution. I'm speaking to myself. Sometimes we're trying to help everyone, but in the meantime, we are also not taking care of ourselves. So if we're out of the picture, guess what's going to
Exactly.
happen? Your
We're
whole
neglecting
ministry
ourselves.
goes under. So I'm preaching to
Mhm.
myself today when I'm reading that, but it's resonating with me. So 2021, we also have to take care of ourselves. We have to also know that if I'm going to help you, I need to be able to lift myself up, and I'll be better able to help others. So I see where that comes in. Personally, I always put God first. He'll speak to my heart and he'll say, you know what you need to do. You need to be a better example. And then
Yes, ma'am.
that means you'll have to practice what you're preaching. And that's where I need to come in also. I need to practice more of what I've been preaching. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it, Nadine. Thank you for your comment. I really, that's a gem right there. Pesky Vegan says she loves this chat. Kabu say good.
Thank you.
Pesky Vegan says time reveals all. Trust. The seasoned skillet said, trust the process. God's timing is always best.
It's always best.
You
it's
know,
not your
everybody
time.
has a breakthrough, and everybody has their timing when that's your timing, and no one can take it from you, because sometimes we have to be patient too. Sometimes we get anxious. Why I'm not there? And sometimes, what's the term we call it? We can't look at others. We look to God.
That's the imposter syndrome.
Sometimes,
it's real.
No, stay focused.
It's real.
I remember when 9 years ago I started blogging. And naturally, when you start, anytime you start, all bloggers, I'm going to say this for bloggers because we're bloggers, you might hear crickets. And there are many along the line. I would say 90, maybe I'm too, say 50% give up because they're hearing crickets.
90. I would say 90. When you first started, 90.
90. And you're like, you're speaking to the wall. Nobody is hearing you. Nobody's coming to your website. You look at the numbers, you're discouraged. But you continue if you have that faith. We are perfect example. Bloggers are perfect. We sometimes don't get the traffic. You just don't in the beginning. But once keep at it, you keep at it, it grows and grows. And then people start coming to your side. So the lesson is for us, don't knock small beginnings. Whatever projects you have this year, you might not have the capital. You might say it's impossible because you need all that amount of capital. There are many people today that are starting businesses with nothing. Nothing. You have your personality, you have your health, you have your strength. Start that project and don't give up. Be consistent.
Do you remember what you started yours with? I started mine with my iPhone.
I think I did have a camera. My husband, because I got his camera. He had one of those Nikon. But you still have to start because you don't even know how to use it. If you look at the photos then to how you take photos now, if you guys can relate to it somewhere, when you started to do anything, wherever you are, and look back now on that journey and see you did not know, we had to all learn. And always remember that in life, nobody just started being that famous musician or playing the piano. Rare, very rare that this genius type. People had to be consistent. They had to put in the time. They had to practice. They had to be diligent over and over again. Even when they're discouraged, they had to fight through the process and keep going forward and having that mental attitude that it's going to get better. Island Empress says, everyone is on their own journey and take different paths. We just have to respect everyone's journey. Can you imagine we're all getting to a goal? We're all going to get there. Sometimes if we only knew that we're only going to get to that goal, we'll stay focused because we're going to get there somehow. There might be meanders and we go off the path a little bit, but if we're determined, we'll get there. And so many people give up when they're right here. They're about to. It's just that they didn't turn the corner.
Getting harder. That's when we usually give up.
Yes.
Because we become impatient. Just when it's right there. And another thing that we have to think about, just like driving, there's always going to be somebody in front of you. There's always going to be somebody behind you.
That's it.
Stay in your lane.
Stay in your lane.
Stay in your lane. And it's hard.
Mirlene, you remember you always tell me that one? Stay in your lane.
Stay in your lane.
Like, Michelle, I'm staying in my lane. I'm staying.
It's not my place. Stay in my lane. You may not like it. I mean, and we suffer, guys. Like Michelle and I, we've shared experiences, and we do suffer with this business. It's a beautiful business, but it's also competitive.
Very.
And
Very.
there are times where we actually do have to sit back and analyze and
Yes.
compare and remember to compare ourselves to ourselves from a year ago as opposed to now.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And
You
sometimes
know,
that's the balancing. And sometimes in life, how we can relate that to life. Sometimes when you get discouraged, maybe it's in even a relationship. And then you sit back and say, but what, look at what we've been through. And we overcome together. What is life going to place on us that we can't? If we
that
have
you
faith
can't
and
figure
we love and we work together. Sometimes that's not all it takes, and say, look back,
out.
analyze, look back at the past. And sometimes that's
Just
bad.
step,
And look
take
back
a
at your
step back.
goals, your missions, where you wanted, how you were so pumped up at first, and you've now lost that drive. And sometimes that alone will be like, yes, that's motivation. I need to
This is
continue.
what it say. It's what they say. Remember your why.
Remember
Remember
your
your
why.
why.
Remember
You
your why.
know, whether it's for
Remember
business, life, family.
everything.
Remember your why.
Remember your why. What's that driving force?
It's a driving force. Yeah.
So, okay. Cabo says, this is good.
Woo!
Pesky says,
You guys are
wow.
getting deep.
Many Rwandan African people are needing this school. Well, bring them on.
You
Bring
guys are
them on.
getting deep. You
We're
guys are
happy to
getting
have
deep.
them join us. The season skillet says, what we need already had our name on it.
Amen. Yes, I saw that.
I
Yes.
love it.
Yes.
No one, I
Yes.
said, no one
Yes.
can take it away
Yes.
from you. That's got my name on it. You see? Merlene, that's got your name on it. It says Mirlene. Michelle, that's got your name on it. The season skillet, that's got your name on it. Kabul, it's got your name. What is for you?
So you
It's for
think,
you.
so
No one can take it away.
then there's no way that the path can be the same.
That's why the path, and that's why we have to have faith in the path and believe the process and trust the process. And don't get
Woo!
discouraged. Because what is for you is for you. And sometimes if we look at it and look back, when the discouragement come along the way, we don't jump off and like give up.
And it's
No.
going to happen. It's going to happen.
The
If anything,
discouragement
you
will
have a lot
come.
more discouraging times.
It
If
will come.
anything,
So
you
this
have a
year,
lot more discouraging times. Yep.
2021, the the discouraging times will
Oh,
come in 2021. But we're not going to give up. We are not going to give up.
Michelle, hold on. We just have a comment.
Okay,
Oh, the season's gonna say, ooh, come on now. Why do I leave off first? Guys,
Bless
to be honest
someone.
with
Bless
you,
someone, Caesar's
we
killing. Someone.
are not.
Someone randomly this week, or maybe a neighbor. Bless someone with it.
You know what's funny? We didn't start off with this because Michelle and I, we spoke, we stated that we're going to come on for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes,
Oh,
to check in with you guys, see how you guys are doing. And we didn't anticipate on this, actually. This came naturally from your feedback, from your comments. What
yes.
this
Thank
tells
you.
me as a Christian, what this tells me is
Yes.
that we're speaking to somebody. We're speaking to
Yes.
someone. There's somebody today that needed to hear this.
Needed to hear this.
That's what it
Yes.
tells me.
Yes. Yes. Very encouraging. Very. Let's see the Lord works. The brave heart is laughing. Thank you so much. We've been on for what? 35 minutes.
Wow.
We're so happy. Any questions, any comments, leave them
Let us
below.
know.
Be sure to join us again in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, where we'll be
2
sharing
weeks.
2 recipes each, Merle. 2 recipes each.
Yeah. 2 recipes. So we're going back to our normal
Yes.
schedule.
Island
So
Empresses, we need this conversation.
we need this conversation.
Aww.
Thank you so
So
much.
we probably
Thank
will
you so
mix it up
much.
with sometimes cooking and conversation, so we can check in on you guys, see how you're doing. And sometimes we need that. We need to check in see how everyone is doing, and sometimes just to motivate, help each other, encourage us along the way. You know, it's gonna take that. It's gonna take a tribe sometimes. We need it to hear an encouraging word sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Oh
we
no, today
all,
was definitely for somebody.
yes, today was
Today was
definitely,
for somebody.
yes, somebody. May this bless someone. All
Yeah.
righty. Thank you guys. We really enjoyed today. Many
Two
blessings
weeks.
for you and your family, your loved
Stay in your
ones.
lane.
Stay in your
Stay
lane.
focused.
Stay
Stay in your
focused.
lane.
Stay in your lane. All righty.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.